Text-to-speech is now available in the Moodle app. Just one click to listen to written text, any content, anywhere, on any device. Getting started in learner support. This is a module that will supply the following: syllabus, addendum, calendar, learner support tools. Synchronized highlighting means you can follow the text as it's read aloud. Harry Potter and Quidditch. J.K. Rowling wrote the Harry Potter series of books. In these books, the game of Quidditch became famous. Quidditch is a game played on broomsticks. Dictionary and translate tools support comprehension. One. Ball. Noun. A solid or hollow spherical or egg-shaped object that is kicked, thrown, or hit in a game. Personalized learning experiences with enhanced learning and focus tools. Text-to-speech reimagined with ReadSpeaker. Contact education@readspeaker.com for a personalized demo in your Moodle app.